Never seen these birds before. They're brand new around here. They came in after that storm last night. Very friendly. But I've never seen them before. But they sure look cool. They almost look like doves or something. I'm glad I captured them video on them. I'm going to put it up on the internet, see if anybody knows what they are. But there he is there, see? They're quite a good sized bird, but I have no idea what they are. But I imagine if I looked around in some books I could find them. I'm trying to... There he is. There's both of them there. See? They're building a nest. They're picking up twigs and stuff. They're super friendly. They've been around people before. And I think they're so cool. I've never seen them before. They're not flying or anything. And they keep squatting. And it's very interesting. I don't know if I should do much filming of them and leave them alone. See, look, she's trying to lay. She's gonna build a nest, or she's looking for a place to squat. Like, these are the coolest birds ever. They're quite big. They're not like they're quite a bit bigger than a robin. But they almost look like quail, but they're not. And they look like doves too, but doves don't act like this. These are new. I've never seen these here before. But we had a big storm, and these showed up after a big storm, and I'm on southern Vancouver Island. And she's just nested into the ground there. So trippy, hey? I'm thinking she's the female and the male's to my right. And he's getting quite comfortable too and resting. They must have had a long flight because they don't want to move, and they're preening themselves. Now they're resting in the sun. Look, they had a rough night. You can tell they had a rough night because that storm last night was rain and wind. A lot of rain, and the wind was quite heavy duty. And these two here showed up, and I've never seen them before. They're quite happy to be here, and they're not frightened of me at all. They've seen me, and when I move around they don't take off or anything, but I don't want to disturb them. I want them to stay and rest. And I'll get out some bird seed. They look like they're bird seed eaters, but they look tired, man. They look really, really tired. You know, they look tired. Here they are there. There's a close-up. I'm thinking that's the male there. They're ground-dwelling birds. The one on the right's a little different color than the one on the left. Here's the one on the left. She's just loving to sit there. Yep. Well, this is Howie Jones. And those are the birdies that showed up here. Very cool, hey? I want to keep filming them. I've never seen them before. They're right below the Don Juan. There's the Don Juan Rose. And that's a nice warm spot for them to rest. They've been beat up a little bit from the wind. I can see their feathers are a bit ruffled. But they came in on that storm last night, and they don't mind resting right here in the food forest. The food forest attracts birds like that. I've seen blue herons, I've seen bald eagles here, raccoons, squirrels, two or three types of squirrels, and many types of birds. I don't know what they are. I mean, I recognize the juncos and robins and chickadees and the tangers, but these guys here, they almost remind me of doves, but they're a little bit smaller than a dove. but they're welcome to stay here, and I'll keep the dogs from coming back here. I want them to stay, and maybe they'll have babies. That'll be cool. That would be so awesome. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazing? She's just loving it. She's just loving it and warming up. She was going around putting twigs here and there in the ground. I'm thinking she's trying to build a nest. They both are pretty cool looking birds. I want them to stay. They can live in the food forest forever. Yeah, that's why I built this place, just for this special moment. Very special moment. Well, fellow Earthwings, this is what it's all about. Right there. Yep. If there's any birders out there watching this, could you tell me what these are? I'm thinking doves of some kind, but I don't know. Blessings, everyone. Please take care of your fellow man and all the animals. Bye for now. This is Howie Jones.